Don't let green and black stains from moss, mold, mildew, and algae steal your home shine. Clean the easy way with Wet and Forget outdoor cleaners. There's no scrubbing, no rinsing, and no harsh bleach. Just wet it and forget it. Because it's bleach-free, there's no worry about what you're cleaning, no second-step rinsing, and no guesswork. Use Wet and Forget on most outdoor surfaces like metal or asphalt roofs, siding, driveways, bricks, even high-gloss painted surfaces. Just spray it and let the weather do the hard work over time. Wet and Forget is available in 3 easy options. Ready to use with a handy trigger sprayer is great for small surfaces, Concentrate for bigger areas, and Extreme Reach Hose In for even larger areas and second-story surfaces. With 2 spray settings, it reaches up to 30 feet. Or use the fan tip for fast coverage of patios and driveways. Ditch the stains, skip the hard work. Just wet it and forget it. Available at Lowe's, Ace, Walmart, and more. Visit wetandforget.com for a store near you.